Just a quick update on the status of the 1976 280Z conversion project. We've got the battery racks all built. They need some work still to prepare them for paint. There's the front. So we're getting ready to remove everything from the vehicle. We just pulled that front rack out. And it sits on these channels, one on either side, that support that front rack. So those have to come out. Of course, our motor mount has to come out. I don't know if this was shown previously or not, but the vacuum pump for the power brakes is in place. Down in the hole in the dark, you can see the gauge is the vacuum reservoir. And of course, there's this wire everywhere as it's been routed to the front, but hasn't been routed and connected any further. So that's kind of where everything is. It's been a matter of fabricating, getting everything prepared, and now it's prepared to go and get painted. Once it's painted, it can come back and then be reassembled and be ready for the final assembly and wiring, where we know where we're going to route the wires. They just have not been routed and tied and loomed and all that yet. That comes later. So that's the status. It's just been, wait for a certain phase to get done. The longest wait, of course, was for the adapter coupler. But even the motors now, from the time we ordered this one, I think it was about 7 weeks. So things just take time, unfortunately. And so we haven't done any videos because we've just been so busy on all the projects we've got going on that we just haven't had a chance to video this one. So it's coming along. It won't be long now once you get to this phase, once these are painted, and then once you can start reassembling, things go pretty fast because everything's already designed, been mounted, test fit, all that. So it's just a matter of putting it back together, but we don't want to do all that with painted components, and so we do it in 2 phases, make sure that all the holes are drilled and things that need to be cut or notched or whatever. All that fabrication is done prior to them being painted. So there's still some work to be done on these things. They're not ready to go to the paint shop just yet. Hopefully in the next day or so that will be the case. And then just a few days for them to be painted and dry, and we'll be back to work. Here's the battery pack, all bottom balanced and ready to go. We've got our contactor box just about complete and ready to go. So once everything's painted and things can start be mounted in place, all will be good. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.